friends, I am N1. Welcome to N1 and 2 tutorial. Today I am going to teach you about email. So friends, now I am going to teach you how to write an email and what are the properties of an email. So to send an email, first I have opened this Google Chrome, this web browser, and now I will click on Gmail. A screen will be opened like this. Now friends, click on compose. Now I will teach you about more about email. So friends, first we have to write the email addresses of the recipients. So what is CC and BCC? BCC means, for example, let me tell you something. For example, if we are sending the same email to more than one person, then for example there are 5 people and we are sending this same email to those 5 people, and we don't want to tell them, or we don't want that they know whom we have sent the same email to. Okay, so CC, while we enter the email addresses in CC, then all the people who are in CC would be able to see the email addresses of the people whom we have sent this same email to. And BCC. BCC means, for example, we write 5 email addresses in BCC. They will only see that we have sent the email to them, and they will not see the other email addresses whom we have sent the same email to. And for example, you want if you are sending an email to 2 persons, just an example, and you have entered an email address in CC and another email address in BCC. So the person whom you have entered the email address in CC would be only able to see that you have sent the email to him or her. And the person who is entered in BCC, he will be able to see that you have entered the email you have sent the same email to another person whom you have entered the email address in CC. Now let's start. For example, you have entered the email addresses, and now we will choose a subject for email. For example, let us write test mail, or rather let's write test email to N1 and 2 tutorial. Okay, now here we'll write the body, means we'll write something more about this email. So for example, let's write some lines. Test email to N1 and 2 tutorial. Hi N1 and 2 tutorial. I am N1. I am teaching your viewers how to write an email. Okay, so now let me tell you something. For example, let's select this line first, test email to N1 and 2 tutorial. These are the formatting options. You can redo and undo by these options. This is the redo option, this is the undo option. For example, if we have written something, we can choose its handwriting. The available handwriting are here. So let's choose fixed width. Okay, you can see the handwriting is changed. Let's choose large, or we can also choose huge, means this is the huge, this is large. We can select the size according to our wish. This is bold. If you click this, it will be bold like this, and if you click this, the handwriting will change to italics, and if you click this, the text will be underlined. This is the text color. You can choose the text color according to your choice, like this. And let me teach you something else. You can also choose your background color. For example, I am choosing red, so it will look like this. And if there are many lines written, you can align this also by choosing these options. Okay, you can align it right, you can align it in the center, and you can also align it to the left. So let me align it to the left. Okay, it is aligned. Now, numbered list. You can choose a numbered list also. For example, we can write apple in list in number 1, banana in number 2, and guava in number 3. It will keep on writing. Okay, now this is bulleted list. Just like number 1, 2 and 3, you can choose a bulleted list. For example, like this, guava. Before guava there will be a bullet point, and now we can write papaya. Okay, and now intent less. Okay, this is also an option, and intent more. Okay, you can see here. For example, if we want to write a line, if you want to begin a line from the extreme left, you can click this, and if you want to start a line from more giving a gap, so you can click this option to give a gap. Okay, so let's, for example, if we are writing from here, I am and 1. Okay, and if we want to write from, if we want to leave a big space, I love apple. Okay, now let's see, friends. Here are many options. Quote. You can write a quote also. For example, let's write this. Okay, and you can choose a sentence. For example, I am teaching this. I am teaching your viewers how to write an email. You can, if you click this, the handwriting, it will be changed to strike through. Okay, means there will be a line in the middle of your written line. Okay, you can undo it also. This is remove formatting. Okay, now let me teach you something else. Okay, let's go down. Oh yeah. Okay, I want to start from the extreme left, so I am doing like this. Okay, now if you want to attach file, for example, if you want to send a PDF file, it can be a movie file, it can be a photo file, for example PNG and JPG. Okay, so let me tell you a serious thing, that you cannot exceed the limit above 25 MB. For example, if you are writing an email and you want to send a big movie, or rather video which is above 25 MB, it will not go. Okay, so let me attach file. Click this option to attach files. Okay, let me choose any photo from here. You can also choose many photos. Let's choose this. Okay, now these files will be uploaded. Okay, now you can insert link also. Now let me tell you what is a link. Okay, link means if you put a link, for example, let me put a link to my video. So let me just open a new tab. I will click on YouTube. Okay, let me go to my channel N1 and 2 tutorial. Okay, now let me, if you click on the share option, you can copy the link to this video, and let me click and let me paste it here. Okay, text to display. What do you want in your email to be displayed? And this link will be displayed as click here to watch anyone into tutorials video. Okay, and you can click this to test this link also. If I click OK, this link will be written as click here to watch anyone into tutorials video. You can insert emojis according to your choice. Okay, I've selected those emojis. This is insert files using Google Drive and insert photo from this Google Drive service or from the photo service. Let me tell you what this is. Turn confidential mode. This is let's read it from here. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print or download this email, and these are the options if you select the confidential mode and if you turn it to on, and if you click this, for example, expires in 1 day, this email which we are sending to the recipient will be inaccessible after a certain point of time. If we can choose expires in 1 month, and you can also generate a passcode that will be generated by Google, and it will also require a passcode if you want. Okay, let me click it to cancel. This is insert signature. You can insert your signature and you can also make a new signature. And for example, after you have written your email, okay, these are more options: plain text mode, default to full screen. Okay, these are the options, and you can delete this email by just clicking this. And for example, we have written our email and we have to send it, then just click this. Okay friends, so friends, please subscribe to my channel Anyone Into Tutorial, like and share this video, and thanks for watching.